Ever wondered how a simple green tea extract can boost your health? Well, this humble leaf is nature's own health elixir, brimming with antioxidants and unique properties. In this video, we'll explore the myriad health benefits of green tea extract, from its potent antioxidant power to its role in heart health, weight management, brain function, and even cancer prevention. We'll also delve into how it contributes to longevity, dental health, skin health, liver health, and bone health. Now let's dive into the various health benefits of green tea extract. First off, green tea extract is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Now, what does that mean? Picture this: your body is a city, and the antioxidants are superheroes protecting it. These superheroes, particularly a group called catechins, are abundant in green tea extract. One of the most potent among them is epigallocatechin galat, or EGCGG for short. These catechins are like the city's defense system, neutralizing harmful invaders known as free radicals. They guard your cells from damage, ensuring the city remains unscathed and reducing oxidative stress. But that's not all. These catechins are also loyal guardians of your heart. They wage a constant battle against bad cholesterol and triglycerides, keeping their levels in check. Moreover, they support the smooth functioning of your blood vessels, fostering a healthy circulation system. This diligent work by catechins can help in reducing the risk of heart disease, making your heart a thriving metropolis. So, green tea extract not only fights oxidative stress but also keeps your heart healthy. Green tea extract is also your friend if you're looking to manage your weight. This nature's elixir has been shown to give your metabolism a friendly nudge, helping your body burn through calories more efficiently. This is largely due to its ability to increase fat oxidation, a process that breaks down fat molecules, making it a popular supplement in weight management. But remember, it's most effective when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. But the benefits of green tea extract don't stop at weight management. It can also give your brain a boost. How so? It's all about the dynamic duo of caffeine and the amino acid L-theanine. These two work in harmony, with caffeine enhancing focus and alertness, while L-theanine promotes calmness and relaxation. This synergistic effect can lead to improved cognition and overall brain performance. That's right, green tea extract can help you stay in shape and keep your mind sharp. The benefits of green tea extract don't stop there. Imagine this: the powerful antioxidants in this natural elixir can help prevent certain cancers. It's also linked to longevity and overall well-being. Your smile benefits too, as it promotes good oral health by keeping harmful bacteria at bay. Plus, it works wonders for your skin, liver, and even your bones. From protecting against UV damage to supporting detoxification processes and improving bone mineral density. As you can see, incorporating green tea extract into your routine can provide a range of health benefits.